Today I stopped at two of the biggest garden centers most people shop at, Lowe's and Home Depot. I wanted to stop by both stores and take a look at what they actually have right now and see which one might be better. Both of these stores can have very different selections depending on the location, so today we're just going to walk through and see what we find. So let's start with Home Depot. As you walk into the garden center, the first thing you usually notice is the color. They always have a lot of flowering plants out front, and it really makes the place feel alive. You see rows of annuals, different flowers, and plants that people can take home and instantly brighten up their yard or patio. And as you move through the garden center, you start seeing a mix of different plants, palms, shrubs, and sometimes even some really interesting things mixed in. One thing I've noticed about Home Depots, they always have a very nice selection of palms, pygmy palms, queen palms, and sometimes even some larger tropical plants. But like any big box store, it really depends on the shipment they received and the time of year it is. Now let's take a look at Lowe's. And right now I'm showing you the map of just how close these two stores are to each other. Walking into Lowe's, the first thing I notice is they also have a lot of color and a lot of plants to look at. Sometimes Lowe's surprises me with plants that you don't always expect to see at a big box store. Today I'm seeing flowers, houseplants, shrubs, and sometimes a few larger plants that can really stand out. On this visit, they had some really interesting plants mixed in with the regular selections, like this red banana. One thing I've noticed over time is that some Lowe's locations seem to carry a few more unusual plants compared to some Home Depots. But again, it really depends on the individual store and what shipments they received. Both stores have a lot to offer, and if you enjoy plants like I do, it's always fun just walking through and seeing what they have. Sometimes you'll find something you weren't even expecting. So which one is better? Honestly, it really depends on the location. Some Home Depot stores have very strong selections, especially when it comes to certain plants. And some Lowe's stores can surprise you with interesting plants you don't always see. So for me, the best answer is simply this. It's always best to stop by and see what they have. Honestly, you never know what you might find. And if you're wondering if I found a plant to take home, I did. This red Congo. If you enjoy seeing different plants in garden centers like this, make sure you subscribe and follow along as the story grows. I'll see you soon.